Alright, welcome back everyone. In today's video we're going to take a look at how best to organize the center console of the Tesla Model Y. So what I've come to appreciate over the last couple of years of owning the Tesla Model Y is that this actually does have a really generous storage space here in the center console, but it's quite cavernous and it's easy to kind of get things lost in here and find what you're looking for in a pinch, especially in the dark. So without some organization, it's really not living up to its full potential. So in today's video, what we're going to look at is something that Vixseed sent me today, which is an interesting take on the center console organizer. And there's a lot of different Tesla Model Y organizer trays. What makes this one from Vixseed a little bit different and made it interesting for me to review today is that this one is sort of translucent and has these extra shelves here and allegedly has some sort of extra cushioning to keep scratches off the center console as this thing slides around. So let's go ahead and unbox this Vixseed center console organizer tray, install it in my Tesla Model Y center console here, and see if it's able to clean up this mess. So let's slice open the box here. Okay, like I said, it's got a bit of a smoked kind of transparent plastic. We have these rubberized organizer mats that I'm assuming kind of just sit in there like that. Looks like we have some sort of holes here to sneak our cables through. These little inserts here feel like they're made of silicone. They're very soft and should keep scratches both off the console organizer tray and anything that you're kind of setting in here, as well as keep things from sliding around as you're driving. And the more narrow compartment goes to the front and the larger one goes to the back. And I believe the console tray should just sort of slide in here and rest on this lip inside the console, giving you kind of like a two-tier approach where you have your upper and lower, and this sort of can slide back and forth, but I've got a lot of crap in here right now that's keeping it from sliding. So let's go ahead and start organizing things now. All right, so now that we have the cave cleared out, let's put some things on the lower tier here. And then let's insert our tray. And we can see it would give us access to anything we wanted in the lower half, and then kind of keeps the things that we just need immediately in the top portion. So let's see what sort of things would fit in there. So I had just been putting my sunglasses up here on the charging mat for the second cell phone and just keeping my normal one here, but that's kind of janky. So let's see if it actually fits in here. You know, honestly, not that great of a fit. It will fit. I don't know if I have just a giant face or whatever, but maybe not the best option for sunglasses, unless you put them maybe in a lower tier, but I don't know how you feel about that. You could definitely throw some sort of multi-tool in there, some spare change, perhaps a pen. Here's another pair of sunglasses that are a little bit thinner. Those seem to fit a little bit better there. Your J1772 charger could fit in there for easy access. It still slides back and forth, so you have enough clearance for that. And you could even fit your AirPods. With cable routing there, you should be able to snake your charging cords through there and charge them. So if we plug a USB-C charging cord down here in the lower level, and then we can snake the lightning connector through the grommet in the Vixseed console organizer here, which will give us a convenient way of charging our AirPods while they're still in the console. So yeah, these cable grommets provide a nice way to still access your USB-C ports down here in the main console while charging things kind of out of sight but organized on this top tray. And with the tray in there, you still can close your center console, maintaining your nice aesthetic appearance of the interior cabin of your Model Y. Vixseed did provide this console organizer for today's review, but my opinions on it are of my own. If you enjoyed it and are looking to purchase it for your Model Y, please consider using the affiliate link down in my video description down below. If you have any comments or questions on how well the center console organizer is holding up over time, you can leave those down there as well. And as always, thanks for watching.